In this video, we are going to see about the applications of linked list. So, in different areas, we are using the linked list concept. In a real time, also we are using the linked list concept. So, first we will see the application of linked list where we are using in the computer science domain. Okay, so the first application is for implementation of stack and queue. We are using the linked list. So stack and queue are a data structure concept. This both the concept are implemented by using the linked list, and same time we can able to implement the stack and queue by using the array concept also. Then implementation of graph. So adjacency list representation of the graph is the most popular, which is use linked list to store the adjacency vertices. The next one, dynamic memory allocation. So here also we will use the linked list of free blocks. Okay, we use the linked list of free blocks. Then next, for maintaining the directory of name of the directory also we are using the linked list concept. Then next one, for performing the arithmetic operations on the long integers. If you are going to use the long integers, means for performing the arithmetic operations we are using the linked list concept. Then when you are doing the manipulation of polynomial by storing the constant in the node of the linked list also we are using this. Next, for representing the sparse matrix also we are using the linked list. Then we will see some real world application of the linked list. So the first one is image viewer. So if you want to see the previous and next images, so these are linked, so we can able to access by next and previous buttons. Okay, so the previous and next images are linked, hence can be accessed by next and the previous button. And next one, previous and next page in the web browser. So we can access the previous and next URL searched in the web browsers by pressing the back and next button, since they are linked as a linked list. The next one is a music player. So songs in a music players are linked to previous and the next song. So you can play the songs either from starting or ending of the list. So these are the some real world application of the linked list. So we will see one example, polynomial arithmetic. So already I told it is also in a polynomial arithmetic for storing the constants in the node of the linked list. For the manipulation process we are using. So here we are going to see about the polynomial arithmetic. So it can be used to represent the polynomial of any degree. Okay, it can be represent polynomial of any degree. So here the information is changed according to the number of variable used in the polynomial. Okay, so if the single variable is used in the polynomial information field of the node, means it can be divided into the two parts. One is the coefficient of the variable and next one is the degree of the variable. So that means, for example, consider the polynomial 6x square plus 9x square plus 7x plus 2x. So every individual term in a polynomial consists of two parts, that is coefficient and the power. So that means here the node is divided into three parts. So the first part, it contains the coefficient. Okay, it contains the constant of the coefficient, and in a second part it contains the constant of the powers. Okay, constant of the powers, and the last one, it contains the link, so that is the address of the next node. Okay, so here as per this polynomial, here the what are the coefficients. So what are the coefficients here? Here the coefficients are 6, 9, 7 and 1. And what are the powers here? The powers are 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so every term of the polynomial can be represented as the node of the linked list, and this is the representation of the linked list. You can see, so the first one is 6x cube, right? So the 6 is a coefficient, cube is a power. The next one, 9x square. So 9 is a coefficient and 2 is a power. Then next one 7x. So here 7 is a coefficient and 1 is a power. And next one is 1. So 1 is a coefficient and 0 is the power. So like this way we are representing the polynomial in a linked list. So this is the linked representation of the term for the above polynomial. Then next we will see, so we are doing different operations by using the polynomial. So that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will see adding the two polynomial using the linked list. So here what we are going to do, so here we have taken the first polynomial equation as 5x square plus 4x plus 2x. Okay, and second is minus 5x minus 5x minus 5x power 0. So for each and every equation what we have to do, we have to create the different list. Then after adding this we will get the resultant list. So first we will create the list 1. So this is the list 1. So here we are dividing the node into 3 parts, right? So first we have to represent the coefficient. So 5, and what is the power? It is 2. Then next is 4x. So the coefficient is 4, power is 1. Then next one 2x power 0. So that is 2. So here 2 is a coefficient and power is a 0. So this is the list 1. Okay. So this is null. Here it is null. And next we have to draw the list for the second equation. So here second equation, that is no power 2. So we can draw here, for it will be easy for the addition. So I am drawing here. Okay. So because the power is 1 for this. So the coefficient is minus 5. Then power is 1. Okay. Then for the next one, the coefficient is minus 5. So it is 0. So now we are going to do the addition. So after doing the addition, what will be the result? So here we will do it from left to right. Okay. So 2 minus 5. So what is 2 minus 5? It is minus 3. So this is also null. 2 minus 5, it is minus 3. Power is 0. Then it is null. And for next one, 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is, it is minus 1. So it is minus 1, then power is 1. Then next for the list 1, list 2, it doesn't have a power 2 value. So power 2 is 0 here. So 5 is a coefficient and power is 2. So what is the result? So the result is 5x square minus, that is 1x. So we can write it as a x, then minus 3. Otherwise we can write as 5x square minus 1x power 1 minus 3x power 0. Both are same. So this is the way of adding the polynomial using the two linked list. Okay. Then next we will see about the multiplication. Okay. Next we will see about the multiplication. Okay. So here also what we have to do, we have to add the, so we have to multiply and we have to do the addition. So like same as normal addition how we will do. So first list we have taken here is 3x square plus 5x power 1 plus 6. So this is the first one, and second polynomial equation is 6x power 1 plus 8. Okay. So first I will draw the first list. So it is list 1. This is list 1. Okay. So what is the first coefficient? It is 3 and power is 2. The next one is a 5x. Okay. So coefficient is 5 and power is 1. And next it is only 6. So it is 6, coefficient is 6, then power is 0, and here it is null. And next list 2. Okay, list 2. So in this 2, so here it doesn't have x power 2, value, so it is 0 only. Then so just for understanding I am writing that also. Then it is 6x power 1, so coefficient is 6 and power is 1. Then it is 8, so it is 8, power is 0 and this is a null. Then we are going to do the multiplication. So first we can multiply this element with all the value. So 6 into 8, what is 6 into 8? 6 into 8 is 48, 6 into 8 is 48, then here power is 0 and this is null. And next we have to multiply this and this. So what will happen? 5 plus 36, it is 30, and the power what we will do, we will add. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 1, it is 1. Then next we have to add this and this one. So 3 into 8. What is 3 into 8? It is 24. Plus we have to add the power. It is 2. Power it is 2. Then next we will multiply by this. Okay. Then 6 into 6. So 6 into 6. It is 36. So 36. Then we are adding the power. It is 1. Then next 6 into 5. What is 6 into 5? It is 30. Then power we have to add 1 plus 1. It is 2. Then 6 into 3. We have to add this and this. 6 into 3. It is 18. Then we have to add the power. It is 1 plus 2. It is 3. Then we don't want to add this. We can leave this. Then we can do the addition. So it is 48 power 0 and it is null. Then here these are the power 1. So it is these are the power, it is 1. So sorry, it is 40, right? 5 into 8 is 40. 8 into 5. 5 into 8 is 40. So 40 plus 36, it is 76 and power is 1. And next when you are adding this 24 plus 30, 24 plus 30, it is 54. Then power is 2. Power is 2 here. Then 18 into 3. So only power 3 is only one element. So 18, 3. Okay, so we can write as a polynomial equation, that is 18x cube plus 54x square plus 76x plus 48. So this is the method of adding the two polynomial using the linked list. Okay, using the linked list.